Good day, everybody. This is your host Ali Rathor from Techwrath TV. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use content aware in Photoshop. And basically, content aware is used to fill up any gaps in your project, in your image. If your image is not fully covering the canvas, so you can fill it up. So I'll be back after this quick intro. So welcome back, everybody. I've already downloaded 2 images to check if we'll do the content aware on a very plain image with a flat background and the one with a complex background. So the first step you'll most probably be doing is starting a new project. For this example, I'm going to take 1920 by 1080p and click create. Then I'm going to drag this first image into the canvas. Now the problem normally happens is like the dimensions, we're going to increase it proportionally, height and width. Once that's done, you'll see the problem that the canvas is still showing up. So you'll go to layers, you'll see your image is a smart object, it has been converted to smart object. If it's not, that's fine. Otherwise, you'll press right click, then click rasterize layer, go to the selection tool. We are going to select first the left hand side covering a bit of the image and the empty space, then go to edit and you'll see content aware fill. If this is disabled in your side, just check if you've selected the layer is rasterized and you've actually selected the image as well as the empty side. So I'm just going to click this one. I'm going to wait it to process it, and you can see it's actually covered the left hand side. I'm just going to press OK, leaving the default. And as you can see, it has filled the left hand side and created a new layer. So I'm going to go select the original image and select the previous the right hand side. Repeating the steps again, go to edit, content aware fill, and we're just going to wait for it to process. Once that's done, I'm going to press OK and our image is filled. So the next step is optional. If you guys want to do, press Ctrl E for elephant to merge all the layers together so it becomes one whole image. So in the next option, I'm just going to test it out with this one. I haven't tested it, so I'm just going to increase the size and see how it actually covers it up. So again, right click the layer, convert it to rasterize layer, and I'm going to select the right hand side, a little bit of this image and the other one, go to edit, content aware fill, and let's see how this is done. And it's still not bad. It's got a bit of stretch here, but I'll do one thing. Like, I think I'll give it more information so it has more information to play with, and let's see if this does a better job than the previous one. So it's processing. No, it actually ruined it. So I'm gonna do is, with the complex images, I think content aware fill, you can play with the settings a bit, but I'm just gonna do, this is much better, isn't it? Yep. And we're gonna try to do it from here, selecting the deer one, edit and content aware fill, and see how that's done. It's possible. It's not the ideal change, but this is a more complex image, and with which images that have a flatter background or they're not complex textures, it's going to work perfectly. I'll still give it maybe 8 out of 10. Not bad to kick it off, and that's how you actually use content aware. So share your work with us. Let me know if this helped you. It's a very quick tutorial, 5 to 6 minutes maximum. And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and follow for more tutorials for Photoshop, maybe 3D modeling for Blender, anything. Look at a different playlist, and keep coming back, keep watching, learning more, and do comment on this thing if this helps you. If you got a question, just comment downstairs. I'm your host Ali Rathor, and this is it from me. Take care. Bye bye.
Please do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Click this video to learn more.